We now head to southern Nigeria, where the Court of Appeal sitting in Abuja has given the All Progressives Congress candidate for the Bayelsa State Governorship election, Timipre Sylva, the all clear to contest in the November 11th poll. An Abuja Federal High Court at on October 9th disqualified Sylva from the contest following a suit by a member of the APC in the state. That's Demesuoyefa Kolomo. Now, Kolomo in the suit had asked the court to determine whether Sylva was qualified to contest in the elections, having occupied the office of the governor of Bayelsa from May 29, 2007 to April 15, 2008, and May 27, 2008 to January 27, 2012. Now, Justice Donatus Okorowo, during the ruling, held that allowing Sylva to contest again would breach the provisions of the 1999 Constitution, having been sworn in twice and ruled for 5 years as a governor of the state. In a unanimous decision by a three-man panel on Tuesday, the court held that the litigant who initiated the suit that led to Sylva's disqualification lacked the local standing to do so. The court, however, set aside the judgment of the High Court and awarded a cost of 1 million naira against the respondent. To discuss this, we are joined by Andrew Emwanta, a constitutional lawyer and former commissioner of communications and orientation in Edo State. Thank you so much for your time, Andrew.
Yeah, thank you for having me, and good evening to our viewers at home.
All right. Now, how does the Court of Appeal's decision to allow the former governor, Sylva, to contest in the Bayelsa State governorship election affect the APC's overall strategy and prospects in the upcoming polls?
I think for me, it's a victory not just for democracy, but for the rule of law. And I must begin by first applauding the Court of Appeal for delivering such a very sound judgment and for doing so too timelessly. Remember, just a week ago, I had predicted that the Court of Appeal will return a verdict of this manner, namely on the issue of local standard, and the fact that the APC candidates will be restored by the Court of Appeal. And I'm happy that that prediction has come true. So for me, as a member of the APC, today's verdict signposts hope for not just the candidates, but members of the APC. So now there are no legal encumbrances to the campaigns of the APC candidates. So as we speak, APC has been restored, and the rule of law has been restored because the Court of Appeal quickly saved the situation. Remember, about a week ago, INEC had delisted the APC candidates. So with this judgment of the Court of Appeal, Timipre Sylva, the governorship candidate of the APC, is fully back.
Now, I mean, you used the legal term there, local standing. Can you please just elaborate what exactly does this particular legal term entail for, of course, the benefit of those watching?
Of course, just as the name implies, it's a Latin maxim which says that for you to bring an action, I mean, it talks about the right of an individual to bring a legal action, to institute a legal action. I give you an example. If a man is married to a woman, the only way that marriage can come to an end is divorce. So it is only the man who married the woman or the woman who is the wife to the husband that can bring that action. If the father of the woman is aggrieved, he cannot go to court to bring an action for divorce. So who has a right is simply to bring a legal action is simply what local standard means. So within the context of this particular case, the person who brought the action, Mr. Kolomo, is a member of the APC. Section 285, sub 14 of the 1999 Constitution that defines what a pre-election matter means or connotes, identifies two individuals, one a natural person, the other an artificial person, that can bring a pre-election matter. First is an aspirant, and he can bring that action either against his political party or against INEC on any infraction of either the party guidelines or the Electoral Act.
Now, talking about political party, I'm sorry to interject here. Let's look at the impact this particular legal battle will have on the unity and cohesion of the APC in Bayelsa State. And how do you see the party moving forward in light of these developments?
I think just like victory, success has many fathers, failure is an orphan. So this victory of today, the legal victory of today, will further unite the members of APC in Bayelsa. Remember, about 4 years ago, the APC won election into the same office, the office of governor, against the PDP. Remember, in that particular election of 2019, APC won 6 out of 8 local governments in Bayelsa. PDP won just 2. But unfortunately, on the eve of the inauguration of the new governor, the Supreme Court came up with a big bang, voiding the candidacy of the APC and declaring the PDP who lost that election as the winner. So for APC members, the fear of having the same problem was there. But with today's judgment, the party will be more united, and it's a sense of victory, which, of course, will translate to APC winning the election come November 11th. And you know, that's just roughly 10 days from today.
Well, interesting times, you would say, but thank you so much for your time, Andrew Emwanta.
My pleasure to be here this evening.